are now in Tops Cebu. Yep, it's gonna be full here on the 14th, obviously. Here. Hey, let's go. Hey, sorry, sorry, sorry. And this is the highest part. We are now at the viewing deck of Tops. So here is the view. There's some stairs so we can get an awesome landscape of the view there. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, we're on. Okay, so right now we're here in Tops, and we're gonna do some aerial flights all over the city. So here it goes. And here she goes. Okay, hi, this Vincent here, and I'm not sure that cut short right now. So I just ended the day, and I've captured some footage here for you guys, and it's gonna be a lot of edit here, so you better stay tuned on my channel. That's Planet Inking. Okay, and to those who just tune in, nice to have you with us. I'm just too lazy to bring a tripod with me. So yeah, I'm filming right now on a Neo 2. So yeah, at the same time, I haven't used this for an actual blog. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and who knows. Anyway, to those who haven't subscribed yet, you can like click the like button, subscribe. It really helps a ton on the channel, and I will be uploading more videos and more content for you guys, and as well as safety tips. So do stay tuned for that. And I'm Vince, and you're watching Planet Inting, and thanks for watching. You have a good one, and see you in the next video.